Simple term syllabus of grade 10. The unit is algebraic fractions. Already we studied in your previous grades of grade 9. The algebraic fractions is already explained by me, and now today we recall our previous grade knowledge. First of all, what is algebraic fraction? Algebraic fraction means the fraction has the numerator and the denominator has the algebraic expression, or somewhere only the numerator has the algebraic expression, or the denominator only has the algebraic expression, or both the numerator and the denominators have the algebraic expression. They can call as the fractions as called as algebraic fraction. So, how to write an algebraic fraction? So, look at this example. Upon x plus 1. Here 2 is the numerator and x plus 1 is the denominator. X plus 1 is the algebraic expression. So here this is an algebraic expression, simple algebraic expression. And next, (3x by 2). 3x by 2 also an algebraic expression. Numerator has the algebraic expression 3x and denominator is a number. So here numerator is a number, denominator is an algebraic expression. In the second example,
okay.
In the second example, 3x is the numerator, the denominator is the number. So the next example, please look at this. So this is an algebraic expression, algebraic fraction. Here the both of the numerator and the denominator are in algebraic expression. So these types of the algebraic expressions we can write, and then we can go to how to simplify the algebraic fractions. Now we can simplify, for example, algebraic fractions of x by 3 plus x by 3. So here the denominators are equal and they are both the fractions also equal. Then we can simplify that as denominator equal. So when you how to simplify the fraction, the same way you can simplify this algebraic fractions. So then the denominators are equal, here 3 and then x plus x. You can add that 2x by 3. So this is the answer. Second example. Here the algebraic fractions, the denominators are not equal, so then we have to equal the denominators, then simplify the algebraic fraction. For the 5 and 3, we can equal the LCM of 15. So then multiplying the denominators for equally. So 15. So multiply the numerator by 3. The denominator is 15 multiplied by 5. Numerator multiplied by 5. So then, after then, you simplify the numerators. So So what is the answer? Then we to simplify after the numerator. Thus the answer is 13x and the number part plus 18 over 15 is the answer. So likewise you can simplify the continuing exercise textbook of your textbook page number 130, 134, the review exercises. Students, you can do. There is 6 questions. Okay. Then now we continue to simplify the unequal denominators of algebraic fractions. Now we look at the example.
Okay, press பண்ணுங்க சார்.
Here the denominators are not equal. Here x and 2x. So then we can use to simplify the equivalent fraction. So then change the 2 over x is an equivalent fraction of the denominator and the denominator 2x. So then we multiply both 2 and x by 2. So then 4 over 2x plus 3 over 2x. So here the denominators are equal. Then you can simplify and 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 over 2x. So then here the denominators are unequal and we change to write the unequal denominator as the equal fraction of 4 over 2x. Then here the 2x, 2x are equal. The answer is 7 over 2x. Now we can do further exercise. Having the denominators are not equal. Now we try to do the 3 exercises having the denominators are not equal. Here x and 3x. This is 4a, 2a, 5n and 4n square. So now first of this example, try to do the simplification of the algebraic expression, algebraic fractions. So here the x change to equivalent fraction of denominator having 3x. So then you multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3. So when you multiply by 3, 3 into 3, 9 over 3x. So multiply this by 3 and this one x multiplied by 3. next. Here 1 over 3x. And then the denominator is now equal. Then simplify. 9 plus 1 over 3x is equals 10 over 3x. The answer. So then look at the second example. B. Here the denominator 4a and 2a. So you have to multiply 2a by 2 for equal fraction of denominator having 4a. Then 7 over 4a minus the 2a you have to multiply by 2 and also numerator you have to multiply by 2. So then 2 over 4a. So now both the algebraic fractions and the denominators are equal. So then 4a denominator, numerator is 7 minus 2 is 5. So look at the third exercise example. Here the 5n and 4n square, you have to equate the LCM for the 5n and 4n. You have to find the 5n and 4n the LCM. So then 5 and 4 have the LCM of 20. Then 20, you have to got 20. So multiply this by multiply the 5n to equate the denominator to get 20n square. So then 4n, you have to multiply by 4n. So then 3 multiplied by 4n plus 4n square must multiply by 5. So then numerator also multiply by 5 into 5 to get the equal denominator. So here 20n square is the same equal denominator, and then simplify the numerator. Here 12n plus 25. So this is the answer.